The Science of Social Media Algorithms. Title: The Science of Social Media Algorithms, Decoding the Invisible Forces Shaping Online Experiences. Introduction. In an era dominated by digital platforms and interconnected social networks, social media algorithms play a pivotal role in determining what content users see on their feeds. In this article, we will delve into the fascinating world of social media algorithms, exploring their inner workings, their impact on our lives, and the potential challenges they pose. Understanding social media algorithms. At their core, social media algorithms are complex sets of rules and calculations that analyze vast amounts of data to optimize user experiences. The primary goal is to enhance engagement and keep users active on the platforms. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, and numerous other platforms all employ their unique algorithmic systems, tailored to their specific objectives. Key factors influencing algorithms. 1. Relevance. Algorithms strive to present users with content that is most likely to capture their interest. These systems analyze various factors, such as past interactions, search history, and personal preferences, to determine the relevance of each piece of content to an individual user. 2. Engagement metrics. Algorithms also consider engagement metrics like likes, comments, shares, and video views to gauge how interesting a post is. This data helps prioritize content that has the potential to generate active participation and interaction among users. 3. Timeliness. To reflect the dynamic nature of social media, algorithms often prioritize recent or trending posts to keep users engaged with current affairs and ongoing discussions. This factor ensures that users receive fresh and up-to-date content, enhancing their overall experience. 4. User relationships. Algorithms assess the nature of users' relationships with others on the platform. Content from friends, family, or accounts that users frequently engage with may be prioritized. 5. Content type. Different formats, such as images, videos, or text-based posts, may be favored based on user preferences and engagement patterns. Algorithms adapt to user behaviors and prioritize the content formats that users find most appealing. The impact of algorithms on user experience. 1. Personalized content. Algorithms enable platforms to deliver customized content tailored to individual users. By analyzing users' interests and behaviors, algorithms attempt to show us what we want to see. This can enhance our online experiences by providing content that aligns with our preferences. 2. Filter bubbles and echo chambers. A potential downside is the creation of filter bubbles and echo chambers. Algorithms tend to reinforce users' existing beliefs and preferences, leading to limited exposure to differing opinions and diversity of thought. This can hinder critical thinking and contribute to the spread of misinformation. 3. Monetization and advertising. Social media algorithms play a crucial role in displaying targeted ads to users. By analyzing user data, algorithms can ensure that advertisements are relevant, increasing the chances of user engagement and conversions. However, this also raises privacy concerns and the risk of excessive data collection. 4. Virality and algorithmic manipulation. Algorithms heavily impact the virality potential of content. The potential for posts to go viral can be exciting.